Coach Cliff here again. Another book. You gotta have this on your bookshelf. There are two things, if you're gonna crush it in real estate, you gotta be able to be ninja number 10 out of 10 at, and that is number one, implementation. Number two is time management. The Ultimate Sales Machine, written by the Hall of Famer Chet Holmes. In the first chapter, he lays it out, the time management secrets of billionaires. And here's the thing, guys, think about this. Every day you wake up, the good Lord gives you 86,400 seconds. We all start out equal. Bill Gates, Michael Dell, you name it, we all have the same amount of time. The difference is that what do you get done in those 86,400 seconds? Pick up this book, read the first chapter, Time Secrets of Billionaires. You will increase your productivity exponentially once you master the art of time management.